Hello, and today we are going to learn all about how to launch an NFT in just 90 seconds with Wayfinder. Now, I will admit it's going to take a little bit longer than 90 seconds, but that's about how long the video, once edited down, takes. I think you'll be pretty impressed. So the first step is going to be to enter our prompt into Wayfinder. That is what's going to instruct the agent what to do and how to code our contract. You can have a conversation with Wayfinder, or you can give it some very explicit instructions like I've done here. The next step is simply to deploy it. Wayfinder thinks and then confirms the transaction, and it's deployed. Now we're going to check out what the current base URI is. The base URI is what defines the metadata for an NFT, and that metadata includes the path to the image data and the descriptions of the NFT file. We're actually going to use Wayfinder to define our metadata structure based on the information that we told it in our initial prompt. Previous to recording, I uploaded the image data for our NFT. And now what I'm going to do is take the content ID for that image data, and I'm going to put it into the metadata JSON file. Once I have that, I'm going to also upload the metadata JSON file so that in the end I've got both a meta file and an image file. After that, I go back and I update the base URI of our contract with the CID of the metadata. And let's do an owner mint and check it out. And that's it. You can see that the transaction is there on Basecamp, and here's how it looks over in OpenSea. And the metadata below. If you like this and want to see more content like it, we are going to be creating more videos in a similar fashion, so make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.